Taking care of your skin is more important than covering it up. Guys, if your skincare routine is lacking somewhere, then this video is for you. So guys, I recently got two products from Saint Botanica. If you've heard about the name, I actually heard about this brand Saint Botanica from Instagram, and after doing a lot of analysis and a lot of research of my own from Instagram and other social media platform, I ordered this product. So I chose this product because it's vegan, it's toxin free, and also it has no paraben, no sulfate, which is very important for any skincare product or hair care product that you're buying. So guys, I got two things. First, I got vitamin C E hyaluronic brightening night cream. So this is a package of the cream that I bought, and it will cost you above 1000 rupees, but right now it is on discount, so you'll get it around 900 rupees. I'll link it in the description box. And the second thing I got was Saint Botanica's Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask, and it costed me around 500 rupees. There can be a discount, so I'll link it in the description box and you can check it out. So guys, I'll be first starting with the review of the peel off mask, and if you want to see just the review of the night cream, then you can skip to. So guys, this is how the product looks, and it is paraben free, sulfate free, silicone free and mineral oil free. So this is the consistency of the product. You can see it in my hand, and this is how it will look, and it has small particles of coffee, and as we all know that coffee is a very rich antioxidant. It is a very good exfoliant, so it will take all the dirt off your face and it will brighten your face, and it also enhances your skin health. So that's the reason why I got this product, is because of the fact that it had coffee in it. Guys, in these recent few years, coffee based products have become this huge thing in skin care market, where a lot of body scrubs and face scrubs and a lot of things, and even face washes and creams have come out of coffee based product. So guys, this is a demo, and I would really appreciate if and recommend all of you, if you use a mirror while applying it, because I did without a mirror. I was just seeing in the camera of my phone. It was very difficult, and I left some spots, so then I had to bring a mirror to like fill in those spots. So start with a mirror and just देख के ही सब कुछ कर. So guys, it took 20 minutes for my product to like dry. I took a lot of the product because I had this past experience wherein I had to use a lot of product so that peel off ho sake अच्छे से. So I used a lot of product, but with this product even my sisters used it, and they took a very thin layer of it, and it was very easy to take off. So if you want to be a little bit कंजूस होकर product use करना है, अच्छे से 2 महीने चलाने हैं, then you should take little a product and use it, because then also it will work fine. It will work exactly the same as much as I used it. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. जितना उन्होंने यूज़ करा, जितना मैंने यूज़ करा, दोनों का फेस सेम ही लग रहा था. बिकॉज आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी विद द प्रोडक्ट. एक पॉइंट पे वेर इट वॉज वेरी ईजी टू गेट इट ऑफ, एंड ऐसे ब्रेक नहीं कर रहा था या कहीं पे मुझे वॉश करके पील ऑफ नहीं निकालना पड़ा. ऑल ऑफ इट गॉट आउट वेरी ईजिली just with my hand. So yes, and the product was very elastic, very strong, so like it did not break off very easily. So guys, I applied the product even on my neck, because any product that I use, I always use it on my neck. So if you're using this product, please make sure that you use it also on your neck, because आपका ये पूरा पार्ट दिखता है, and you should not look uneven. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आपकी फेस अलग है और आपका नेक पार्ट अलग लग रहा है. So guys, if you're a coffee lover, first of all, you'll really love the smell that comes out of the product, and you'll really feel, I was feeling very fresh after applying it. I felt that all the impurities are out of my skin, and I think it happens with a lot of good products that after applying it, even with the first appliance, it it feels very good. So this was my second day, so I kept using this product for like 7 days, and I made the videos with all of those 7 days. With the night cream, so I applied the peel off mask only every alternate day, because it's not safe to apply it every day. So guys, I'll be starting the review of Saint Botanica's night cream, which has vitamin E, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So guys, vitamin C is a very good, it is one of the most important antioxidant. It repairs cell damage. It is also helps in collagen production. So it is very important for anti-aging. So if you're looking for something anti-aging product, then it is a very good product for you. Vitamin E is also an antioxidant, and hyaluronic acid is produces collagen, and it also makes your skin more supple and healthier. So all of these components work together as a very good anti-aging brightening cream. So this is how the cream looks, and this is the consistency of the cream, as you can see on my hand. It is a very clear white liquid and gets absorbed very quickly to your skin, and when I applied it on my hand, it was very moisturizing, and even on my face when I applied it, it felt very moisturizing. So I'll be applying it on my face. Just by the look on my face looks so bright and so hydrated just after applying the peel off mask. I was so happy with the result of the mask, and so I took a little product. Actually, it was not a little, it was a lot. This I got after my first experience, so I took it and then I started applying it on my face in circular motions. And when I apply any product, I make sure that I also massage it so that it gets easily absorbed. You just don't have to apply it ऐसे क्रीम की तरह अप्लाई नहीं करना, आपको अच्छे से मसाज करना है, स्टिमुलेट करना है अपने ब्लड को beneath the layer of the skin so that it takes off and absorbs all the cream. That is our clear motive of applying this cream. And when I applied it, it was very moisturizing on my skin. So guys, here I would like to add one very important point, that some people think that just putting on makeup and going out and putting on so much effort on your daytime and day routine is very important, but I think it's equally important to put in a lot of effort in your night routine, because that is a time when your skin actually observes things and repairs the damage that has been done throughout the day. So guys, let's first start with the review of the peel off mask. I think yes, for 500 rupees it was a little bit pricey, but I really think that it really had an effect on my face. After applying it, I could really feel that my face was getting clearer and that thoda brighten ho jata tha face. So I felt that yes, in the effect that it really had effect on my face. And all the reviews that I give is given by 4 people. So we are 4 sisters when we all try out products and we give our reviews. So all of them gave the same review, that it really did clear our face and there was no any such reactions from the product. So अगर कोई sensitive skin का इंसान है तो वो use कर सकता है. For the night cream, I really felt that it was really good. It felt really, the smell was very good, and लगाने के बाद skin इतनी moisturized feel होती थी. My skin felt hydrated, and I have very oily skin, so I did not feel the need to apply moisturizer after applying the night cream. So if you want something just to hydrate your skin, it is a very good product. And because I feel that we really need vitamin C in our night care regime, so I feel that if you feel that it is a little bit pricey, you can always order something that is a little bit less pricier or a little cheaper than this, but you should always have vitamin C in your skincare routine. So guys, with this we come to the end of the video. I have a lot of huge content coming up in the next few videos, so please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and keep on sharing it so that I can make more videos. Keep on supporting artists like us. Thank you very much. Take care, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye guys.